Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of finance and tackling a question that's been swirling around the internet. Is Vivid a Russian bank? This might seem like a simple question, but in today's globalized world, things can get a little murky. So, buckle up, finance enthusiasts and curious minds alike, because we're about to clear the air. Why does this question matter? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this question holds any weight. In recent times, geopolitical tensions have cast a shadow on international financial institutions. People are understandably cautious about where their money goes and who controls it. So, if you're considering using Vivid, or if you're already a user with a nagging question in the back of your mind, this video is for you. Dissecting the facts: where is Vivid based? Alright, let's get down to business. Vivid is not a Russian bank. It's a German fintech company, headquartered in Berlin. Founded in 2019, they operate under the regulatory umbrella of Germany's financial authority, BaFin, Bundesanstalt für Finanzdienstleistungsaufsicht. This is a crucial point because BaFin is a highly respected financial watchdog known for its strict regulations. So, from a regulatory standpoint, your money with Vivid is subject to German, not Russian, oversight. Ownership structure: who's behind Vivid? Now, ownership can be a different story sometimes. But fear not. Vivid is a subsidiary of Solaris Bank, another reputable German company with a full banking license. This means Vivid leverages Solaris Bank's infrastructure to offer its financial services, further solidifying its non-Russian connection. Transparency matters: where to find information. Vivid itself is quite transparent about its origins. Their website clearly states their headquarters location and regulatory framework. It's always a good practice to check a company's About Us section or FAQs to get a clear picture of their background. Beyond geography, security, and your money. While the whole Russian bank question is important, security should always be a top priority. Regardless of location, it's crucial to understand how a financial institution safeguards your funds. Here are some key things to look for. Data security: does Vivid employ robust encryption protocols to protect your personal information? Fraud protection: what measures do they have in place to prevent unauthorized transactions? Deposit protection schemes: is your money insured in case of unforeseen circumstances? Vivid, like many European financial institutions, participates in deposit guarantee schemes that protect a certain amount of your savings in case of bank failure. The takeaway: Vivid, a German fintech company. So, to definitively answer our initial question, no, Vivid is not a Russian bank. It's a German fintech company operating under German regulations. Final thoughts. In today's interconnected world, it's natural to be curious about the background of financial institutions. By doing your research and understanding the regulatory landscape, you can make informed decisions about where to entrust your hard-earned money. Call to action. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. If you have any further questions about Vivid or any other financial service, leave a comment below and let's discuss. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.